Hi everyone, I want to make a quick video about how to insert a page number. This is something I get a lot of questions about. You want to make sure that you insert page numbers through Word or Google Docs. Don't type it in manually because usually what I'll see is that somebody has typed it in on the first line of the page. And then, when you submit to Canvas, the formatting gets messed up and the page two will actually be at the bottom of page one and all this stuff. And it looks kind of messy. So this is the way to make sure that it looks professional and that you're meeting the standard guidelines, which are going to be really important for succeeding in college, okay? All right, so you go up to the top here, top left. In my version of Word, yours might look a little bit different, but what you're looking for is the word insert, okay? And so click on insert. Then over here, it's going to say page number. Again, it might look a little bit different for you, but what you're looking for is the words page number. Then you're going to click down. Now, what you want is you want to choose the page number location at the top right of the page. So the number here is going to just be plain number 3. And so it's the third option down. I'm going to click on this. And there it is. It's now inserted page numbers onto the top of the page for me. And then see, it's in the header instead of on the body of the text itself. Okay, if you double click in here and you put a number 1, unfortunately, what's going to happen is it's going to show 1 on every single page of your document. And I don't love that. I wish that it was easy to do this, but unfortunately, it's a little bit convoluted. That's why I wanted to make a video. All right, so then now you have your page number inserted. What you need to do is you need to add your last name here because that's an important part of MLA. And so what you'll do is you'll just write your last name, space, and then once you're done with that, you can click out and there it is. It's going to have your page number at the top of the page. It looks a little bit gray, but that's okay. It's just to show you that this is in the header and that it's not going to be messed with whenever you change the formatting of the rest of the page. Now I want to show you the major difference here versus if I had just, clicked up here and put a 1. All right, the major difference is going to be that now when I start a new page, let's say I write my whole first page and get down to the next page, it is going to automatically format it for me, right? So it's going to have what we call this a running head, my last name, and then the number 2. And then if I do it again, I get to the third page. That's how many pages are required for our narrative argument assignment. Now I have my last name and page 3, and I don't have to worry about it again. It was tedious to get it done, but now that it's done, it's done. And you're going to be surprised by how easy this is to remember in the future. But if you ever forget, just remember, with Word, you can always click up here into this little light bulb and search for page number. And then if you look here, it's going to take you directly there. So if you ever forget just how to find something in Word, just use this little light bulb and it'll help you find it, okay? All right, have a good day. I hope this was helpful.